Okay, so I have opened the PC case, and as you can see I have a Gigabyte GA B75M D3V, this motherboard with a Pentium 3rd generation processor in it. So we are not going to review about the motherboard today, rather we are going to see how to fix that cabinet fan. This is the fan we are going to fix into the PC. So this computer has already one fan over here, right over here. So I was planning to buy another one and also fit it into the case, by which the cooling gets really well. So this computer has a 128 GB SSD installed. So I will be later on giving you a video in the channel, so by which you will be learning how to fix a hard disk drive into your cabinet. Right over here you can see that this is hard disk drive 2, this is hard disk drive 1, and this is 1, this is 0, this is 2, and this is also you get another hard disk over here and another hard disk over here. So these are the space for the hard disk, and I like to fit my SSD right over here. And another thing that is going to come in the channel very soon as well, but that how to configure your SSD as your boot drive and also your hard disk drive as your secondary storage device. So let's see. So the first thing that I'm going to show here is this particular section. This is the side panel of the cabinet. So you are getting one mounting hole, two mounting hole, third and the fourth mounting hole. So I will be opening this particular fan, and let's see how it goes. So I will keep it aside. Let's keep it over here. Let's bring this over here, and just a moment, the camera will be blank. I will be opening this just a bit moment. Okay, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So yeah, now this is the fan. It's the fan that you get, and this is the connectors you're getting. So two types of connectors, one male and one female. Okay, so we have one connector left over here, this one. So this one will be going with this one. Okay, and you get screws with it, okay, with the packaging. So this is what the packaging is all about. This is the packet. So I will be keeping it aside, and yeah, I will be back after bringing my screwdriver. Why not? Okay, so the fan will be in this particular alignment. Okay, I have not fitted the screws yet. This fan will be in this particular alignment, and this is a big fan. You can see in the side panel, it covers a lot of area. So I have nothing that can hold my camera while I'm fitting this particular thing, but you can see the holes over here, the holes, small holes, 4 holes, and these 4 screws are going to be fitted in these holes. So I will be fitting the screws and I will be right back. Okay, so the 4 screws are fitted. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 with this screwdriver. I have also another screwdriver like this. I have plenty of screwdrivers over there, but these are the 2 screwdrivers I use primarily. So yeah, this is how it will look. You can see the look, and we have to check the noise level of this particular fan, and let's see how it spins. Okay, so I will be fitting the side panel back into the case, and after firing it up, that is switching the computer on, we will be seeing and checking the noise levels as well. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to turn this PC on and let's check the noise level. Boy, that's really noisy though. Computer is turning on. Hear the noise. It's pretty noisy. Let's see. I can give my password. That's a pretty noisy fan. the noise will settle down maybe. So the back fan is also spinning. So yeah, let me know in the comments how did you felt about this particular cabinet fan, and we will be certainly upgrading this PC to a hard disk drive later on, in a video as well, and later I will also install or fit a particular cabinet fan on that PC as well. But this PC has already two cabinet fans, so it doesn't require any kind of upgradation. So the fan noise has already gone down. It's a good sign. So yeah, that was all I had for you all in this video. Stay tuned and watch the channel as much as you can, and I will see you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.